Up YouTube, here's my 2013 fireworks stash. I got a bunch of Red Apple 6 assortments, Cherry Bomber, Titanium Beast, Perfect Crown 3-inch shells, rules of the game 500 gram cakes, a bunch of 500 gram cakes, Breathing Fire, Caution Cool 1, 2, 3. Rolls of firecrackers. There's 1,000 shot, 2,000 UV shells, HD shells, Pro shells. I love my Saturn missiles. 100 shot. Got a whole case right here. These are the best Roman candles with Tommy gun. Each shot goes off like an M80. Got a bunch of Roman candle, color pearls. Reporting. Here's my stash of M80s and quarter sticks. Bam! M80s. These are what's legal in the US market. These silver crackers are pretty loud, but nothing compares to these big boy shit. Happy 4th, everybody.